Okay then, so now the stack is ready. You can read it in here, create complete. So now let's click on the stack name, which is LAMP stack cloud formation in my case. So then here we have stack info. So you can read it in here. So then in the events, we can see events that have happened, like from the creation till the completion. So for instance, it has started creating the stack at this time and it has finished it at this time. All right. So then if you go to resources, here you can see AWS resources. So for instance, in this stack, I have a web server instance, which is EC2 instance. All right. So you can read it in here. So, and also we have security group. So that means now we have this EC2 instance up and running. I can show that one. If I go to EC2 instance and if I go to running instances, you can see that one instance is running and this is this one. And we also have web security group. So if I go to security groups, so I have this one, LAMP stack cloud formation. So this is a security group, all right? And it has been designed by our cloud formation. So you can see inbound rules, outbound rules, etc. and etc. So we have here 2 AWS resources. And then if we go to outputs, here you can find a URL. So this is a URL from at which you can access your website. So because LAMP is again stands for Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP, and this is one of the frequently used stacks. So you can use this one if you're a web developer. So that means you don't need to just develop your own infrastructure. You readily get these Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP, and you can start programming, all right, and deploying your website. So this is a URL at which you can find your website. So, and it can be found on the outputs category. And if you go to parameters, you can see parameters of your database, instance type, etc. and etc. So, and if you go to template, you can see your template. So this template has been attached to this stack. So if you want, you can just view it in Designer. All right. So if you click on that one, so it takes you to the Designer, and you can see what kind of resources you have. Again, here you have just EC2 instance and security group. So I'll close it. So basically that's it. So as you can see, it's very easy and it's very easy to use, and also it can help you to develop your AWS infrastructure. All right. So, and if you want to delete this stack, so how can you delete it? So, well, it's very easy. So if you want to delete this stack, what you do is you select your stack. In my case, it's LAMP stack cloud formation, and you just click on this delete, and then just click, you confirm that you want to delete it, and then it says delete initiated. So now it is deleting our infrastructure. So if we go to EC2 console now, we should see that our EC2 instance is terminating. So as you can see, it says shutting down. So it's terminating our EC2 instance. So similarly, if we go to security group, so it still exists in here. So if you want, you can edit it and delete this one manually. You just select it and just go ahead and delete security group, and you just delete it. And now you don't have any security group except this one, default one. All right. So basically that's it. And delete in progress. So it might take just maybe a couple of minutes, but definitely it will delete this stack without any problems. So basically that's it regarding this video, and I will see you in the next one.